welcome to Monday. So what I'm doing today is a little bit different. I am going to do a how-to video. My video right now is how to cut your own bangs. I do cut my own bangs. Right now they're getting just a little bit long. They're coming over the top of my glasses. They get caught in the side here, so I'm going to cut them. I'm going to just try and show you how I do it. So I'm just going to get started. First I'm gonna pull my hair back, my longer hair back, so I don't accidentally cut anything I don't want to cut. Just make sure I get all of the bang pieces out. I have a handy dandy little clippy. Clip that back so I don't accidentally cut anything I don't want to cut. I'm not going to take off my glasses because I want to see what I'm doing. So it's really easy. What I do is I just gather up all my bangs, pull them to the middle of my forehead like that. Looks pretty goofy, but this is really just what we're doing here. And I just twist it. So I twist and twist and twist and twist and twist until it's all twisted. This helps me get my framing a little bit more, and so I like pull it down in the middle. And you just want to cut just a little longer than you want it to be. So I want it to be about even with the middle of my eyebrows. So I just pull it down to about the bridge of my glasses. Pinch it really securely. And snip it right above my fingers. Throw that away. And now they're just a little bit shorter, but they're still, and like you just like kind of fluff them up. They're just a little bit shorter, not falling over my glasses anymore. No mess, and we're done. Super duper easy. That's really all I do, and it's just a little bit of it, so it still kind of frames over my face. I still like fuss with it a little bit. They're kind of choppy, so it doesn't look like I just cut them, even though I just did. You saw me do it. And that's it. So now it like kind of blends with the rest of my hair, and like that's all there is to it. Super duper easy. Like takes 5 minutes, not even. It took me longer to set up the camera for this one. So if you have any questions about cutting your own bangs, just leave a comment in the comment section below. The real trick to cutting your own bangs is not being afraid to mess it up. And if you liked this video, please hit thumbs up. And if you want to see more how-to videos, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.